Hello friends, as you know, IIIEM is working on a Golden Bird mission, that is bringing the Golden Bird days back in India to build up new exporters or importers in India. There are so many questions being asked whether I am the right person to go for export import. There are so many questions being asked whether am I able to do the export import and what all the opportunities are there in export and import. To creating you aware about this, we have shooted this video wherein we are focusing on what all the opportunities are there as an exporter or importer, which is very much important. You people need to understand. As you know, in international market, there are so many players are there, but there are so many opportunities also there, isn't it? Though we say ourselves we are having 17% population of the world, almost 83% people are staying outside. So 5 times bigger opportunity compared to India. And that needs to be grabbed properly. And that's the biggest strength as an exporter or importer. You have a very big market. Big market, almost 5 times bigger than India. That's the opportunity you must need to encash. And post-technology evaluation, post-internet, Facebook, Google, it becomes so easy as an exporter or importer to grab this opportunity. But it's more important, first understand the processes. Because I have observed so many people, I met so many people up till now, what I observed, what they study, they never do that in life. And what they want to do in their life, they never study. Isn't it? Right? So it's very much important. So start focusing on opportunities. There are huge opportunities lying. International market is a very big platform for every Indians. Because everyone is now looking for an alternative to China. And we are the only one available in that world. It's a very big opportunity which we must need to encash. So understand the international marketing opportunity is very much important. Apart from a very big size of market, and money floating is a very big business, right? So money also floating like anything. And those people who love to travel. See, if I'll tell you myself, I was interested in export import because of this only. Because I love to travel. I love to travel the world. And that's the opportunity has been given by the export import industry only. And that can also be grabbed by you. So there are multiple of opportunity you must need to understand. And apart from that, it's indirectly a social service as well. You will ask how? If I am exporting or I am importing, how do I give a social service? It's very much important to understand, friends. When you are exporting anything, you brings the order. So we need to increase the production capacities. So again, to increase the production capacities, you need to have the manpowers, which generates employment. And when there's employment generation in the industry, automatically it caters the economy as well. So indirectly, you are helping your nation to grow further in the world. It's a very big opportunity. As an Indian, you need to understand. I always say, to serve the nation, it's not necessary to just to have guns and go to the borders. It's equally important that basically if you're serving to nation as well, you can generate employment, generate economic power, give the support to that. So you can become an economical soldier which supports the industry, supports the country within yourselves. So it's important that you should understand this opportunity. It's a very big opportunity as an exporter or importer. So grab this opportunity, understand this thoroughly. In different videos, we'll be also focusing on different kind of products, different kind of industry, what are all the challenges exporters are having, right? So I request all of you, if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get the regular updates on that. So thanks a lot for watching this. If you'd be interested, get in touch with your counselors. They can guide you much more better. Thanks a lot for watching this. Thank you.